I'm going to show you how to get from one location to another using Google Maps. So to start off, we're going to go up to the web address box at the top of the screen, and you want to click there, delete what it says in there, and go to www.googlemapps.com. And you want to go over to the arrow right here, and you want to click on that, and that'll bring you to the Google Maps web page. There'll be a map on the right side, and then on the left side we want to go to Get Directions and click on that. Once you click on that, two boxes will pop up. In box A you want to put your start address, and in box B you want to put your end address or your destination. So for example, I'm going to use my house as the start address and Trinity as the end address. So I'm going to type in my address, which is 24242 Fallbrecht Road, Crete, Illinois 60417. When you're finished typing in the start address, you go to box B and put in the end address, which is Trinity's, and that is 6601 West College Drive, and that's Palos Heights, Illinois 60463. Once you have both addresses in, you want to go down to this box here where it says by car, and this shows what type of transportation you'll be using. If you click on this little arrow here, it'll show you can go by public, walking, and we want by car. That's what we'll be driving. So once you have all this information in, you click on Get Directions, and on the right side a screen will pop up and it'll show the map and your exact route that you will be taking. Now if you go over to the left side here where it says I-294 North, this is the one that we want. It has the suggested routes right here, and there's 3 different ways, and we want this one because it's the least amount of time. So you make sure it's not clicked on that, and then you scroll down. You can go down to this little arrow, scroll down, and this will show you step-by-step directions of how to get from my house to Trinity. And it gives you the exact mileage that you'll be on each road. If you keep scrolling down, there are these little cameras here, and if you click on the camera, this will bring you to where you're going to exit. It'll give you a street view of the exit that you'll be taking off of I-294. So you see here on the right side of the page, this gives you a street view of exactly where you'll be getting off in order to go to Trinity. And if you want, you can move further back so that you can see what it looks like from further back, and you can move it forward by clicking on this arrow again. And if you go over to this little circle here on the upper left hand of the map here, you can click on the little arrow on the right, and it'll make the screen look towards the right, and on the left make you look towards the right. Just kind of gives you a peripheral vision of what the road looks like where you'll be exiting. And also, if you move down here to this little orange guy, this is where your street view is, and you can move him, and wherever you move him, that's where it'll give you a view of the road at that point. You want to make sure you keep him on your route, so it gives you a view of something on your route. Once you're all finished with this, you can go to the little X at the top right of the box and just exit out on that. And as you can see, it'll show you your exact route that you take, and on the left side it'll show you step-by-step directions. And that sums up how you use Google Maps to get from one location to another, gives you step-by-step directions and visual aid.